In this video I'm going to share you guys a tutorial to enter and exit recovery mode by using Tenorshare Reiboot application. So to enter the recovery mode, just connect your device and on this Tenorshare Reiboot application just press enter recovery mode and you will enter into recovery mode. And to exit recovery mode, just do the same, just press exit recovery mode and you are going to exit the recovery mode. So it's very simple and it's free to use, and if your device is stuck at recovery mode, you can just use this application to exit the recovery mode. Just connect and press exit recovery mode and your device will reboot. So that's all about this simple video guys, simple way to exit and enter recovery mode by using Tenorshare Reiboot application. So thanks for watching. Talk to you in next one.